Thanks for joining me on another video. Today we're doing the rear brakes of the 928, and we're using these brake pads, the max value from Magma, and the picture on the box does not represent the rear brakes. I'm going to take this out and show you what the rear brakes should look like. The rear brake pad for the 928 for my 83 has these holes on the top. So if the brake pads that you purchase does not have these holes, then you have bought the wrong ones. You can see the brake pad on this driver's side is still good, but we can't really see what's going on the other side. So this comes out by taking off these 19s right here. There's one on top, one on the bottom. Okay, once the two bolts are out, and it's just a matter of taking this off. I'll shimmy it off just like that. So the pads on this side was decent. Well, I'll show you what's going on the other side. But we're going to replace these anyway. I'm going to go ahead and take this off by unscrewing these two right here. So I bought this for that job. It's a Tektron Impact Driver Set. This is the driver. You hit it with a hammer if you need to. So using the impact driver, along with this hammer, I was able to get it off. After whacking it a couple of times, there it is, it's coming out. Okay, then this just comes off. The brake shoes look okay. I'm going to leave those alone. It's a little bit lower on this side than it is on the other side, but I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up. And this could use a little sanding. Yeah, I'll clean this up also. These springs back here, I'm going to go ahead and clean these up and also add some grease to them. Some springs over here also. Yeah, and this whole mechanism right here, I'm going to clean this up. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and gently take this out. This is the sensor. And then we have to remove these clips right here on both ends. Just pull them out. Just pull out, and that will release these pins right here. So we're going to go ahead and knock them out from this side and pull them off from this side. We'll do it for both, and then we'll be able to take the bracket off, and then we could get to the brake pad. Okay, I was able to get the two retaining clips out and just remove this temporarily. And now we're going to just gently knock this out. These are going to be stubborn to get out. So I started tapping this with a heavy hammer, got it to move. And then I was able to finish with standard nail. Make sure it's strong enough, because it's going to need to pass this hole right here, and a small hammer. Once I got it past it, I was able to pull it out. See how this went flying? And now I'm going to work on getting this one out. This pin right here would not come out. So I had to take the entire caliper off. And if this comes off, I'm screwing this with a 15mm. And I have it right here dripping into the water bottle. And I'm gonna quickly do this job and put it back on before this while it fills up. This is a 2-part brake system. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and I'm gonna get out this very stubborn pin. Finally. This pin is damaged, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. I'll just buy a whole new set. Now I'm gonna quickly clean this up with my Dremel and get these brake pads out. These are the old brake pads. Pair the new ones. And the new ones have this sound deadening material taped to the back of the pad. Please join me in the next video as I clean up the old stuff, install the new stuff, and get these back on the car.